Have you ever felt a little nervous on the first day of school? Meet Mia, a sweet girl with big, curious eyes and a backpack that seems almost as big as she is. As she steps into her new school, the world feels huge and a bit scary. All around her, kids are laughing and playing, but Mia feels all alone, clutching her backpack straps. It's a feeling we've all had, right? That little flutter in your tummy when everything is new and unfamiliar? Mia watches from the sidelines, her heart wishing she could join in the fun. Just as a small tear begins to well up in her eye, something wonderful happens. A friendly boy with a cheerful grin and a kind-hearted girl with a bright red ribbon in her hair walk right up to her. "Want to play with us?" they ask. Mia looks up, surprised. A tiny, hesitant smile appears on her face. She nods, and just like that, her adventure begins. Suddenly, Mia isn't alone anymore. She's running across the playground, her laughter mixing with the happy shouts of her new friends. They're playing tag, their feet barely touching the ground. Later, they're all gathered around a big piece of paper, colorful crayons in hand, drawing a magnificent castle with a friendly dragon. Mia, who was so quiet just a little while ago, is now excitedly pointing out where the tallest tower should go. It's amazing how a simple act of kindness can change everything. The sun begins to set, casting a warm, golden glow over the schoolyard. We see Mia sitting under a big, shady tree with her new friends. They're sharing stories and snacks, their faces full of joy. Mia is no longer the shy, nervous girl from this morning. She's confident, happy, and surrounded by friendship. She learned that courage isn't about not being scared. It's about taking that first small step, even when you're afraid, and that a new beginning can lead to the most beautiful friendships. This story reminds us all that being brave and open to new friends can make any scary new place feel like home. If you loved Mia's journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more heartwarming stories, and share this video with someone who might need a little encouragement. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.